Whispers dancing through the trees below, mountains breathing in the sky so wide, pieces waiting where the wild hearts hide. Footsteps soft on the open ground, every little soul is nature bound. No more noise, no more race to run, just the moon, the wind, the rising sun. And we fade into the golden air, leaving all the heavy shadows there. Every heart be moving naturally, like the ocean finding harmony.
This is where the earth breathes, where the soul feels free, flowing like the rivers to the sea. Oh, no fear, no pain, only light remains.
In the silence we become alive again. Birds are painting melodies in blue. Every moment feels completely new, falling slowly into peaceful time. Life is simple when the stars align. Open skies and fields forever green. Beauty lives inside the unseen. Every sunset writes another song, telling us that we already belong. And the night becomes a velvet stream, carrying the echoes of a dream. Every breath becomes a symphony, written by the earth eternally.
This is where the earth breathes, where the soul feels free, flowing like the rivers to the sea. Yeah. No fear, no pain, only light remains.
In the silence we become alive again. Let the rain wash over yesterday. Let the forest show another way. Every soul was born to shine. Every star was made to guide.
This is where the earth breathes, where our hearts believe. Love is growing quietly beneath. Yeah. No fear, no pain, only peace remains.
And together we are alive again. Under open skies we stay, drifting softly far away, where the earth breathes.